Hey, just a quick update. We are doing another round analysis video. Same time, Wednesday, 2 o'clock. Let us know if that's a good time. I figured, it's not the weekend, so people aren't trying to do shit, but, I mean, everybody's awake. But I don't know. I don't know what people do Wednesday afternoon, so I don't. Anyway, um, Paul has a couple ideas for different kinds of rounds we can watch. His old rounds or whatever rounds you guys want. So, lots of options. We're going to be doing it over at Twitch. So, YouTube, just the infrastructure couldn't handle what we were trying to do. And in case you didn't see the last one, what we do is we have 4 screens all happening live. We have, I guess from your perspective, it would be the one screen that has the actual video that we're watching, and then underneath that is a live capture of Paul flowing in a spreadsheet, and then Paul talking about the round and me talking about the round. And I think that's a good setup. We're gonna have it work on time this time. I'm gonna have a second monitor, so should be good. I'm gonna make a video about the Congressional Research Service now, and probably make a Reddit post saying everything I just said. But you need 1,000 subscribers to be able to make announcements on YouTube, which is absurd, but I guess this is the announcement. So now you know.